This is very expensive lotion, and it smells like luxury. This is the American Express Platinum, and it's a premium luxury credit card. This premium luxury credit card allowed me to buy this for around $20 when it typically costs around $70. I would never buy this for $70, but for $20, I'm okay adding a little bit of luxury into my life. In this video, I'll go over the American Express Platinum benefits that get you $50 off luxury purchases twice a year and everything you need to know about how to maximize it. My name is Max, and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It really does help on my channel. I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And let's get started with today's video. This video is divided into a few sections. What's the American Express $50 Saks credit, how to use it, how to maximize your benefits, and what to buy. The chapters are listed down below if you want to skip around, and let's get started. First up, what's the American Express Platinum Saks $50 credit? You receive a $50 credit for a Saks purchase twice a year. The first credit is valid from January through June, and the second is valid from July through December. And that's it, $50 twice a year, and you can go buy fancy stuff at Saks. So how do you use the $50 Saks credit? You can buy Saks products in-store or online to trigger their American Express credit. However, you must enroll on the American Express website first. To do that, log into your American Express account, find where it says benefits, and then find the Saks benefit and click on enroll. And that's it. So there's no minimum purchase requirement to trigger the credit. You can buy something that's $10, a couple weeks later you can buy something that's $20, and you'll get those credits, and you can get a maximum of $50 in credits total across all of your purchases. But I don't know if you'll find anything that's under $10 or $20 at Saks anyways. Also note that this offer does not work for gift cards or outlet stores, and it doesn't apply to restaurants inside Saks either. If you're ordering online from Saks, remember that your card won't be charged until after the item is shipped. So it doesn't matter when you place the order, your order has to ship and your card will be charged, and that's when the credit can be triggered. To ensure that you don't mess this up, it's best to place your order a few weeks before June 30th or December 31st. That's when the credits expire. So how do you maximize this? Rakuten is a shopping portal that allows you to earn some extra cash back or even American Express points by clicking through to buy the items from Saks. The cool thing about Rakuten is that you can earn American Express points from Rakuten instead of cashback. So that means that if you buy something through Rakuten, you'll earn that one-time points from your American Express Platinum regular credit card spend, and then you'll also earn some extra American Express points via Rakuten. You can check out my video about Rakuten for more information about how you can earn some American Express points through Rakuten up here. Another way to maximize this is that you can also enroll in Shoprunner via the American Express Platinum benefits page as well, and this will get you free 2-day shipping on your order. Another way to maximize this is to wait for sales, although everything at Saks is pretty expensive. Waiting for those sales can be an option, but keep in mind if your $30,000 jacket goes on sale for $29,000, it's still very expensive, and the $50 credit doesn't get you very far when you're buying your $29,000 jacket. And one more way to maximize this is that if player 2 has the American Express Platinum 2, if you live near a Saks, and buy something that's around $100 and split the charge on 2 cards. That's an option, but only works in person. I don't think there's an option that you can split a charge on 2 different cards online. As for what to buy, well, that really depends on what you like. But Tiffany likes to buy small luxury things that typically we wouldn't buy because it's hard to justify spending $70, $50, $60 on some lotion. But then if we have the $50 credit and apply it towards some of these items, then sometimes it's worth it for a little bit of luxury and buy those luxury items that we typically wouldn't pay full price for. Some things that Tiffany like are diptyque candles, Byredo candles, Chanel nail polish, lotion. It really depends, but you can always go to the sales section and sort by the cheapest item and take your pick from there. Since you've made it this far in this video, I'll tell you a little bit of a bonus strategy that we use since we live near a Saks. Say if you buy something and you don't like it and you return it, instead of getting the money back on your American Express Platinum, just ask for a store credit. If you keep buying things that you don't like and keep having to return it, and eventually you'll start getting a bunch of these store credits that you can stack and maybe use all the store credits to get a higher value item that you might be more interested in, like a Rimowa suitcase. So that's just a bonus tip for you there. The American Express Saks $50 credit is use it or lose it, so make sure you use it. You already paid the $6.95 annual fee, so might as well maximize your benefits so you can recoup some of that annual fee. If you have any other tips or want to share what you've bought in the past with your Saks credits, comment below. If you found this video helpful, you might find the videos over here useful too. It teaches you how to earn some more American Express points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.